One packet of Porta-Pak contains the right amount of deodorizer to keep your RV's black holding tank free from bad smells for 5 to 7 days, depending on how many people are using the toilet. Just make sure you've got enough water in the tank, because Porta-Pak can only provide odor control to waste and paper that falls below the water line. We recommend 1.25 gallons of water for every 10 gallons of tank. So for your typical 40-gallon tank, that's 6 gallons of water. If you're using Porta-Pak correctly and still noticing foul odors or getting false readings on your black tank sensors, you might need to drop in 1 packet of Commando, an enzyme-based product that cleans your black tank and restores your sensor function. It's normal to get some residual waste caked to your tank walls over time, and Commando will get rid of all of that in about 12 hours. If you have any questions about how to use Porta-Pak or any of our other products, you can call us, email us, or message us on social media.